Exercise 46. It's yet again another exercise with a scatter plot. The scatter plot above shows coffee production in Brazil from 2010 to 2018. If a line of best fit were drawn for the data, which of the following would be closest to the slope of that line? So let's imagine a line of best fit passing through this. It would have been that. Remember that a good line of best fit when drawn by hand should split the original set of data in smaller equivalent subsets. This means that we have pretty much the same number of points above the line and below it. And of course, it should always follow the flow of these points. Now, in order to actually calculate the slope of that, I would need 2 points approximately off the line, not from my original given points. One could be this with coordinates 6,55. It looks decent. And another one could have been, let's make this one, 3,40. Let's make it 48. Then the slope, again, by applying the formula y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, would have been 55 minus 48 over 6 minus 3, which is the same as 7 over 3. And if we use Desmos for our calculations, 7 over 3 is 2.333. So that is 2.33, and that is closer to B.